Hi folks, it's Switchback. If you're anything like me, you want to feel comfortable out solo on those trails. So what are some ways to do that? Well, that's what we're here for today. My first recommendation would be to start out on a trail that you've done before, that's familiar, you've done it with other people, you know how busy it is, you know that you have cell reception out there. If you're itching to get out backpacking solo, try camping solo first in a campground. You could even potentially have a friend stay a few sites over in case of an emergency. A regular campground might feel a little bit safer where there's a ranger, there's a host, where your car is right there. This can also be a great opportunity to test out your gear. Be sure to store your food properly, whether that's in bear country, keep it away from the squirrels, from any other animals or mice or whatever that might want to get to your food. On the topic of food, try to avoid eating too close to where you're going to be sleeping. As crumbs often get on the ground, the last thing you want is some animal right outside of your tent going for those crumbs. If it's appropriate and legal where you're going, you can always carry some bear spray and make sure that you actually know how to use it. Depending on the local laws, you could always carry a taser, a gun, a knife, mace, pepper spray, etc. Again, important to know what the laws are where you're going, and also be aware that any of these items could be used against you. On that note, a self-defense course can be very helpful. Some people feel a little bit safer if they carry a personal alarm. Your dog can also make you feel a little bit safer while you're out on the trail. Be sure to make eye contact with people and say hello. Keep your phone with you and within reach. And if you're not going to be somewhere within cell reception, keep your personal locator beacon within reach. Have a way for someone at home to track you, whether that's a Garmin app, a personal locator beacon on your cell phone with Find My Phone. Be sure to carry good lighting. So if you need to go outside of your tent, if you're going to be out on the trail early or late, being able to see around you is really helpful. I hope that you've enjoyed these tips, and I hope that they help you to get out on that trail solo. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Leave any other suggestions in the comments. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.